The next problem is using z of n square is equal to, that means z transform of n square is equal to z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube, and prove that z of n plus 1 whole square is equal to z cube plus z square by z minus 1 whole square. See here ma, always z transform of n square in LHS, z transform is capital letter and its value, z transform of n function, its value is in z terms which are small z's. Okay, z transform యూస్ చేయడానికి క్యాపిటల్ z పెడతాం. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ సమ్ n ఫంక్షన్, ఏ n ఫంక్షన్ z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ తీసుకున్నా in terms of z answer. Now these z terms are in small letters. We have given z of n square is z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube. By using this one, you prove that z of n plus 1 whole square is equal to z cube plus z square by z minus 1 whole cube. Okay ma, we have given z of n square. So you let the function f of n is n square. Function f of n is n square. Now z of f of n means z of n square. Already we have given that. What is z of n square? Z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube. Okay, you observe z of f of n in symbols can be written as f of z. This is f of z. Okay, this is f of z function. Now you see ma, what is f of n here? N square. If f of n is n square, then what is n plus 1 whole square? If n square is f of n, in place of n plus 1, n, we put n plus 1. In LHS also, now f of n plus 1 is n plus 1 whole square. Now we need z of n plus 1 whole square means z of f of n plus 1. Antena n plus 1. What is n plus 1 whole square? F of n plus 1. So what is our question? Find z of n plus 1 whole square means z of f of n plus 1. Now f of z plus 1 is equal to, now f of z plus 1 is equal to z of n plus 1 whole square. We need this value only. Okay. Now by shifting theorem, we have z of f of n plus 1 is equal to z into f of z minus f of 0. Okay, substituting this f of z, this value. Okay, substitute this value. We need z of f of n plus 1. Okay, that is z of n plus 1 whole square. Substituting these values in 1, substituting f of z is equal to z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube, and f of n into n square. What is f of 0? F of 0 is 0 square, means f of 0 is equal to 0. Substitute the f of 0 is equal to 0 in 1, and also f of z is equal to z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube in 1. We get, or 1 implies z transform of f of n plus 1. That means, that is z of n plus 1 whole square is equal to z into f of z, means z into f of z is this, z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube. Now z into z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube, and f of 0 is minus 0. Now z into only this term only, that is equal to z into z square. Z means z by 1 అని అర్థమయ్యా. ఆల్వేస్ z into అంటే న్యూమరేటర్నే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. Z cube plus z square by z minus 1 whole cube. Now z of f of n plus 1 means z of n plus 1 whole square, that is equal to z cube plus z square by z minus 1 whole cube, which is the required result.